Hi guys, so we are viewing a house today. Yeah, Oren's not with me because he decided he wanted to stay in today, but I'm going to try to record so he's able to see. That would be a good excuse. And yeah, I want to show you as well. The community is a good community. However, the location seems to be what maybe a little bit concerning. It seems to be like at the back part of a church. Right now it's quiet because obviously it is, I think it's 3 p.m. on a Sunday. It's 3 p.m. on a Sunday right now. So every local church activity will finish. However, my concern when it comes to church, oftentimes have events, wedding, funerals, and if we're like literally like the church, I think the church is like right there, so that's going to be kind of a disruptive. It's going to be a noise problem. So I wanted to come and look earlier throughout the day to see how really bad it is, but yes, because the house is kind of up there in price, but I really think we have much of a chance. But we say we are put ourselves out there, make that seat and see what can happen, because you never know, we might just have the lowest bid but something happen and we may get through. I don't know, but we have to start putting ourselves more out there. So this is the house. I'm going to show a little bit of it, not too much, and I need to show Orien as well.
It's 4 bedrooms,
yeah.
2 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms, you can play around.
You there? We can step in?
Yeah, man, okay. Right now. So, bedrooms, come all the way down, 1, 2, 3. The first one.
Oh, this is the first bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay, it has a closet. Okay. It already has, yeah. And this is, so this is the first bedroom. It says 4 bedrooms. Okay. Front room. The bathroom. Okay. This is the first bathroom. I want to step in. I want to see. So, okay. Oh, this leads into the other. We can step through, right? Okay. And then, there's like a next closet, and that's what is. Like a next closet beside it.
There's just one, like the one
closet, but it just this under over a door or something.
Separated.
And then this this would be considered a part of the kitchen. Oh, this is the next bedroom.
Right. Okay. It depends on if you want to use that bedroom
or something else.
If you want to use that, probably a family room or something like that.
Okay. It's the second room. And then this is the kitchen.
So you would already cover dining because this is already.
Yeah.
Ceiling fans and all that.
So this is the kitchen area. Yeah. Okay. This is like at the front. Let me go. So this is like the very front. You have car porch. Right there. So.
Next back.
You didn't walk out here, so.
Back here, so.
Oh shit. Let me inside.
You can't mix, you can't mix it. Alright, so this is the master.
You can see. Can definitely tell.
So you can see back then, these were people who kept the house up. But this if you notice the decorations, they are not very current.
Oh.
The tiles, look at the tiles.
Yeah.
You wouldn't see those tiles again in the stores. Yeah. So they show you how well they try to maintain the place.
This is the living area. It's kind of slant. Oh, I didn't like take this piece. That's true. That is true. That's true.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. That is true. Sorry. Okay, so this is the bucket. Okay.
The washing machine. I'm going to see ketchup. I put the washing machine.
I wish Orin was here. Are there plugs out here? Is electricity? Yeah, I mean, the washing machine is here. And I want to see outdoor.
And you have
Oh, driving. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay.
Rana. She's the agent. What's her name again?
Shadika.
She's the agent for Shadika.
I want. Let me see the side. Oh, it's a space all around. Okay, that's so good.
And you can take that part. But the fence is not up on it.
With the opening of getting some of the walls out. That's good. So I didn't even think about that immediately, and I hate.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West Coast, feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty.
Okay, so we just done look at that property. I mean, can't say it all. A lot of work needs to be done on it, but I do feel like it has potential. The price range is just would have been a real major issue. You're only quiet and nice, but the price range, I mean, I really think that will really work for us. And then the amount of work that has to be put in it, like, yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to talk about that some more amongst ourselves. But we're going to view our next property. We're not able to look in it today. We saw some pictures of inside. We're going to do a area tour basically, and when we're able to look inside, we're able to look inside. And then also our aim is to actually view a model unit for, I think, Sandown. I don't know if we're gonna put it in this video or not, but we're going to view it if we have the time, because it's supposed to close off like at 5 and we're running close to that. Continuous, or we can probably get a little look scare. Alright. Oh, people are saying on my phone. Them not know what I do. Them know what I do. No, them not know what I do. Them not know what I do. Oh, gone into slant, going in this. You could have never drive in your house like this.
I already said that for a park.
Then it's so close going into the side right there, so. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Alright. So people, we now say we shall not host them, you know, but the host them dep on that side here. We now say we shall is which, but yeah, if they're right in front of the gully, it's going to be a no for this one. Yeah, it's a no. Jesus, woman and our pitney, Lord God. Boy, we just reach and them knocked right off. Well, this is all that we're going to be able to see. Literally, they're in the middle of the people who was in development. But when I see how the lady just literally come and disappear. That's crazy. I saw her, I was trying to hurry up, you know. I don't know how she disappeared. She look like she see we never have business and want to run gun about her business. It's not 5 exactly. Oh, are you? But there's a lot of land space. No, but I wonder how much of your space would be like if right here, so would be the end of your space, like this right here, so itself. Yeah, this would be your space, I think. But in here, oh, okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Yes. Oh my. Okay.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should.
Is the balcony? You know I'm not gonna show by that door, but you get a balcony view.
I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes.
There's a closet in the room. There's like a hall bathroom closet. In here is big, like the ceilings. The ceilings are tall. There's a lot of closets. Wish it was a little bit more affordable, to be very honest. There's a second at the back, the room. Oh Jesus! I never know so much space. Watch it. This is called walk-in closet. There's like a lot of space. And there's like a light bulb. Like there's a lot of space. Like this is crazy. We never expect this. Me never expect this. Wow. There's a lot of space for the closet.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't. So you say you're down with it, don't tell them how you can ride with it. 'Cause you know I'm from Chicago, I act the fool, I be proud with it. Ain't nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole.
Okay.
Bathroom.
Oh, it has ventilation.
Yes,
We
yes.
can feel the little breeze I'm going.
Yeah, my have no ventilation here, so under the stairs.
Whereas the sand will kill you in the living room.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh. I have my kitchen and the living room upstairs and the living room. I think. There's no addition.
Wait, let me. Oh, she said she'll look up the back already, right? Alright.
There's no room for addition, no?
And so I was wondering if if there's a little back space. Yeah.
Yes, I'm not for the chambers, they are hold for space. Instead of the square, the kitchen, they are hold for space.
Oh, and this is the next closet. We got broom closet.
Kitchen, put the TV in my kitchen.
Yeah.
Look at the kitchen shelf there.
Hold on there.
There's something. Yeah, there's something
What's that?
shelf in there, so if we like store the dish liquid and all.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up.
Okay, so that was Sandowns, Greater Portmore. And it was lovely, you know, to not lie. The house is lovely. It doesn't even feel like it's a attached townhouse. It feels nice. And then like, yo, the thing is that it's like day and night. You go inside, feel nice, up modern. They look outside and you say, wow, you're still in the Greater Portmore, you know. But I don't know how much units they will be able to do. As you guys would have seen, we had some shots of the construction, the land space. We had actually drove to the back of it, so definitely seemed like they have quite a bit of space to do. And if it's going to be 2 houses in one, you know, more room. But the price point, I would have to double check, but you guys can definitely do your research as well. I know it's 22 million plus for these houses, but they're not nice. And then like looking at the other houses that we have to look at, yo people. But realistically, you have to just work with what you can afford, right, people, right?
Don't play with her, don't.